Interesting psychology facts about human behavior. When you become really close to someone, you can hear their voice in your head when you read their texts. 70% of people like old songs because of the memories attached to them. The average woman smiles 60 times a day. An average man smiles only 10 times a day. Psychological research shows that when you are single, all you see are happy couples. When you are in love, all you see are happy singles. The top source of jealousy in people's lives comes from their brothers and sisters. Anything with siblings can understand how rivalry between them can sometimes lead to intense feelings. Psychology says that people who are lying to you tend to look up and dare left. If there is something big you need to get done, tell your friends you are going to do it. The fear of looking like idiot will motivate you. A person who is being hurt may blame themselves. Choosing to feel guilty helps them to restore the sense of being in control of their life. The average person has 3 to 5 best friends and usually hates one person in their social group. According to research, 73% of people get their best creative ideas while taking shower. According to one study, living in an area with a good water visibility is strongly associated with the reduced level of psychological discomfort. If a friendship lasts longer than 7 years, psychologists say it will last for a lifetime. Women tend to feel loved when talking face to face with their partners, while men feel emotionally close when they work, play, or talk side by side. Friends who do not have lot of pictures together usually have lot of memories together. You appear more attractive to the other person when you make them smile or laugh. Faking confidence can positively influence your brain chemistry and change your life. Pretending not to care is the habit of someone who generally cares the most. It is known as emotional defense mechanism. People who understand sarcasm well are often good at reading people's mind. Women with higher IQ have a hard time finding a mate. Intelligent women would rather remain single than be with the wrong person. Researchers say that you can fool your mind into thinking that you are happy and smiling if you put a pencil in between your teeth. The cells in your body reacts to everything your mind says. So negativity brings down your immune system and you feel sick. When you try to remember a past event, you are actually remembering the last time you remembered it rather than the event itself. When someone refuses to tell you what's wrong, you start thinking that it's your fault. Cuddling literally kills depression, relieves anxiety, and strengthens the immune system. About 25% of men will fall in love with each other on their first date, but 15% of women will fall in love with each other on their fourth date.